Hey guys, just want to make a quick video. If you looking to get a air compressor, what type you should get, what brand, what size, all of that, what shape. Here I have a Craftsman. This is a very good one. There are other good ones out there also. Harbor Freight carries some inexpensive ones. Bought this a while back. I have it for a couple of years now. And this is a 15 gallon, 150 psi max, 1.5 horsepower, and that's the air delivery. As you can see, it's a single cylinder, oil free, 120 volt. This is the air tank to see regulator to see how much air is inside the tank, how much psi, and this is the regulator. You can set this how many psi pressure you need. You can set it from this knob here. This one has the wheels and the handle. You can get the vertical one or you can get a horizontal one, doesn't matter. And when you get an air compressor, make sure it's more than 1 horsepower. The psi needs to be at least 125 to 150 and up. And the gallons, make sure this is a 15 gallons. The more bigger air compressor, the more better. At least 12 gallons and up air compressor is good for starters, for homeowners.